Corporate giants in Metaverse. At present, the Metaverse is still in the conceptual formation stage. Although some of its functions and applications have been gradually realized, its construction is still in the initial stage of development. Even so, it is still unable to resist the enthusiasm and hype of investors, attracting a large influx of capital from all over the world. Global technology giants are accelerating their deployment in core industries such as systems, applications, hardware, and software that have business relevant to Metaverse, and want to seize the business opportunities. On March 10, 2021, Roblox, a sandbox game platform, was the first company to include the Metaverse into its prospectus and successfully listed on the New York Stock Exchange. In just 1 year, its market value exceeded $40 billion. On April 12, 2021, Nvidia announced that it will expand its Metaverse business. On April 13, 2021, American Epic Games announced a new funding round of $1 billion to advance its long-term vision for the Metaverse. China ByteDance invested in Code Qianquan, a game company focusing on the Metaverse, and bought VR startup Pico in April and June 2021, respectively. On July 29, 2021, Facebook CEO Zuckerberg announced at a company meeting that it will transform into a Metaverse company within 5 years. The same year in October, Facebook rebranded itself as Meta. I'm even more prescient and named myself Meta Stone. That is, I am the first stone born in the Metaverse. China Baidu announced that it will hold the CRE8 AI Developer Conference in Metaverse at the end of 2022, and applied for a trademark for the word Meta app in advance.